Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Khasi Tech. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Now let's start the project. First of all, I'm going to tell you this is the list view activity. So today's project is based on the list view item click listener. So you can see here I have set up list item A, B and C. So whenever the user will click on these items, there must be some click listener. Okay, so now let's go and create that one. First of all, just come over here and take the variable of list view first, because we are going to set the list item click listener. So I'm going to take variable, it is lv dot set on item click listener. Okay, now inside the parameter I'm going to give new adapter view dot on item click listener. So you can see here this is the on item click listener for the list view item. So you can see there is adapter view, which is the parent, and then view is view. I'm not going to change. So integer is position, I'm not going to change. id is id long. Now just come over here inside the on item click listener, and then let's convert first those items into the string first. So I'm going to say string, I'm going to call them just items equal to, and this one give open and close parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis I'm going to give it as a string type. Okay, now outside of this parameter I'm going to say the adapter view. Copy this one, or you can write by yourself. Now I'm going to say dot take all this item into the position. So I'm going to say get item at position. Okay, so inside this parameter copy the integer, which is the position, and then paste here. Close this one with semicolon. Now come inside here down below, then make a condition. If, now copy this item, paste here. If item dot equal, okay, if the item in the list view is A, I'm gonna call it A, then I'm gonna show this one with the help of throws. So give open and close curly bracket, come inside the curly bracket. So here what exactly happen is, if the item in the list view is A, then show toast message here. I'm going to show this with the help of toast message. So I'm going to call it toast dot make text. Okay, inside the parameter I'm going to call get application context, comma, outside the comma give open and close inverted comma, then come outside here and give toast dot length, because we are going to define the length whether it is long or short. Length I'm going to use the short. Okay, so outside this just give dot show. Okay, now just come inside here and write a message. Item A is click. Okay, now if the item B is selected, come over here, use the else method. Else if item dot equal, this time it is B. Okay, then give here open and close curly bracket, come inside curly bracket. If the item B is selected, then I'm going to do the same thing. So for that purpose I'm just going to copy this one, paste here, and then change this message, it is B. Okay, now if item C is selected, for that purpose I'm just going to copy this one and then paste here. Okay, if it is C, then say it is C. Okay, now for the another just paste here again. Then if it is D is selected, then say the message also it is a D. Control L to rearrange. Now run the project and see if it works. Okay, okay, now the app has run successfully. Now let's see if it works. Let's click on the A. Can you see guys, item is selected. Now B, item B is selected. C, item C is selected. D, items D is selected. Only this guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.